Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to talk about the foundations of a SWOT analysis. When we talk about a SWOT analysis, we want to consider the strengths, what makes your entrepreneurial idea different from others. We want to consider the weaknesses. What are some of the areas in which you can improve your entrepreneurial idea or your company? What are some of the opportunities that you see available to you in order to improve your entrepreneurial idea or to improve your already established company? And finally, you want to analyze the threats that impose a danger to your company or to the development of your entrepreneurial idea. When we consider these four different aspects, we are developing a SWOT analysis. In terms of the strengths, you want to think about the originality of your business or your entrepreneurial idea. Are you thinking about creating a product that is completely different from any other product already in the market? Are you tapping into a different market that nobody else is targeting? Is your cost of production very low, which can allow you to use most of your profits back into your own company or to invest in to improve your own entrepreneurial idea? And is your marketing strategy different from any other marketing strategy that is already being implemented? In terms of the weaknesses, are you able to carry on your idea, or is your idea very complex? What are some of your initial resources? Are you able to obtain those initial resources? That could be a weakness if you're not able to obtain the initial materials or means to start developing your idea. What are some of the means of distribution? Are you able to get your product to your customers all year round? And also you want to consider the level of competitiveness in the market. Is your product going to be able to compete with other products? In terms of opportunities, are you able to expand your business to a different market or to a different area or location? You can also consider revising some of the previous success stories out there that deal with the same type of idea that you're trying to implement. Can your product or service be diversified? Can the product or service evolve into something even better? Are you able to establish any type of partnerships with other companies that will bring resources into your own company so you can improve your own product and reach more customers? Finally, in a SWOT analysis, you also need to consider the threats imposed on your business idea or in your already established business. Usually, threats are aspects that are out of your hands. You need to, for example, consider the competition, what other companies are doing. You need to consider the socioeconomic atmosphere. Are people able to afford your product? Do people like your idea? What are some of the trends? And how is the market changing? And what do people demand from companies nowadays? Those are things that you need to consider in order to develop a well-taught SWOT analysis. These have been the SWOT foundations.